Retrieving articles with Lexile Reading scores. From the library page, click on Databases. From Databases, we want to click on the letter E. The database that we can use to find Lexile Reading score is Explora. Now on this home page of the Explora database, you will only see an array of topics. To actually search for articles with Lexile Reading scores as your limiter, click on Advanced Search. From the Advanced Search page, you'll have multiple search boxes, and below that, you will have search options. You want to limit your results to have certain Lexile Reading score, so you will go down to the section called Limit Your Results. Along with full text, you want to make sure that your Lexile Reading score, which is here on the right-hand side, is selected. These are the different Lexile Reading scores. You have up to 500, a range of 300 to 800, a range of 550 to 1000, a range of 700 to 1100, a range of 850 to 1200, and a Lexile Reading score of 950 and above. Now you want to make sure you select your Lexile Reading score, as is highlighted here in blue, before you type in your search options. Here you can type in your search option, example, childcare. After you click on search, your results will display. Now to double check and make sure these are the correct Lexile Reading score, look on your left-hand side under the Refine Results panel. Under your current search will be what limiters you have for your search options, which is here, full text and Lexile Reading score of 550 to 1000. You can also have the option of having your articles read to you aloud. Now your academic journals and your periodicals will read differently. Academic journals tend to read faster than your periodical journals. So, for example, click on the HTML full text for the periodical, and this is the New Yorker, which is a popular magazine. Right above the article, you will have an option to listen to it. The little gear icon here is your settings. Click on that settings icon. The settings for reading include text highlighting. You can have the options to highlight either the word and a sentence, the sentence only, or each word. You can also have the option of no highlighting. For this situation, we can use word only. Now, there is an option called Enhanced Text Visibility. What this does is provides on the screen the sentence being read to you in larger text. We'll go ahead and click on so I can show you what it looks like. You can change the reading speed from slow, medium, and fast. We'll click on slow. And then we'll go ahead and close our options. So let's see how it looks like when it's being read to you. We'll click play at the top.
Yes, list. Section. The talk of the town. LA. Postcard. What do the birds and the bees understand that we do not? The other day, 5 employees of Loom, a club for new parents and hopefuls that will open in Los Angeles next month, gathered for a meeting in the club's headquarters. Loom aims to help anxious parents navigate the maze of contemporary childcare protocols. Erica Chidi-Cohen,
You can pause and stop the listening, and that is the example for a magazine reading. Let's go back to our results list and see how an academic journal reads, which is the result number 1. Now, make sure you click on the HTML full text because the PDF does not read. So we'll click on the HTML full text of the academic journal article, and we will play that here.
Navigating transnational child care relationships, migrant parents and their children's caregivers in the origin country.
Notice that our settings have saved. We still have the pop-up at the bottom that reads the sentence and the words to you. However, it is actually reading the article much faster than the one in the magazine.